There are many different ways you can stake your Ethereum, but for this section, we are going to take a deep dive on Rocket Pool staking and all it entails. Let's get started. Hello all, JT here. As we learned in our last video, in order to stake on Ethereum mainnet as a validator node, participants currently have to lock up or stake 32 Ether. This is a large sum of cash for most individuals. Rocket Pool allows multiple users to pool their ETH together, allowing individuals with as little as 0.01 ETH to participate in staking and earn staking rewards. For each 32 ETH validator, one participant takes responsibility for running it and must contribute an 8 ETH bond. They're called the node operator. The remaining 24 ETH is provided by a collection of pooled deposits by other users. This means that there are two ways to stake ETH in the Rocket Pool ecosystem. You can deposit any amount of ETH into the pool, or you can run a node with a larger deposit of ETH and the Rocket Pool token known as RPL. If you deposit into the pool, you will be given some amount of the RETH token in exchange. RETH represents both how much ETH you deposited and when you deposited it. As Rocket Pool validators earn staking rewards, the value of all RETH gradually increases. So, as long as you are holding RETH, you are staking with Rocket Pool. You do not need to get it from Rocket Pool directly either. For example, you can purchase RETH on an exchange. As every RETH token is exactly the same, you will automatically receive the benefits of staking just by holding the token. It's important to note that when switching back and forth between ETH and RETH in some countries, this may be considered a taxable event. Each country has its own tax laws though, so I would follow up with a tax professional to see how it can directly affect you. The other option for staking with Rocket Pool is to be a node operator, taking on the responsibility of running the validator in exchange for higher rewards. This requires at least an 8 ETH bond in addition to some amount of the Rocket Pool token, or RPL. RPL is a token issued by the Rocket Pool contract which serves several different purposes. For node operators, it's required to launch a mini pool. It provides its own yield as RPL rewards, and it provides voting power for governance. RPL acts as a form of insurance to cover potential losses incurred by the node operator. When creating an 8 ETH mini pool validator in the protocol, RPL worth 2.4 ETH must also be staked in the form of RPL as a security promise to the protocol. Fun fact, the value of the minimum RPL bond is 2.4 ETH because it's 10% of the 24 ETH that is borrowed from the pool. Staking by holding RETH or by running a node? The choice is yours. Either way, by staking through Rocket Pool, you'll earn staking rewards and contribute to the decentralization of Ethereum. In the next video, we'll discuss the responsibilities of being a node operator and try to make the decision if it's right for you. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.